How much was that trolling motor?
Like $1,500.
50?
This whole rig is like 30,000.
30 grand?
Yeah. Put on the life preserver before you get on.
Yeah. Aye, aye, Captain. Go, put it.
No, this is gonna be embarrassing because I can't push it in. Stop, please.
What's wrong, bud?
I'm gonna have to get in the water. I just don't want to jump in the water.
Holy, this is cold, dude.
Is it actually?
Yes, bro. You ready?
Yeah.
You got the trolling motor ready?
Yeah.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are here, me and a freaking hammer, Mark Zona himself. Me and my friend Grady are out here on Lake. We're fooling around doing some fishing out of a freaking 5-inch Jon Boat. Luckily, how big is that other one?
10 foot.
No, it's not. There's like an 8-foot Jon Boat, and then we have like a 10-foot here. So we're fooling around. Cloudy, hot. I don't know why I'm in this, but let's get the chest mount strapped up. Let's catch some freaking pigs. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Break your rods.
Oh, Grady.
What?
Look at the rod. My hand just bumped into it and it snapped, dude.
Bro, why do you use paddle rods?
Oh my
Now I'm gonna have to make you a new.
God. Oh my God. Dude, that was my worm rod too. Dude, that's like my only worm rod. Hand me my rattle trap. It's a culvert.
Oh.
Got one?
As soon as it hit the water.
Is it a big? Oh, that's a pig, dude.
No, it's not.
That's a beast. That's a freaking hammer. Let's go bring that sucker up. There we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's how we get it done, folks.
A berry beast.
Nice one. First fish of the day. Yep, when I bring out the GoPro, she's raining harder. What is this current? Dude, bro, they're...
Crap, this shit is crazy.
Dude, they're in this current. What is this current? Oh. GoPro wasn't on. Second fish of the day. First one on film. Come here, bud. Whoa, look at that jump. There we go. Folks, came out of the pads. Alright folks, so second fish, sorry, of the day, first one on film. It's a nice little 1 pounder. Came out of this pad line, throwing a little speed worm, and it got the job done. So I'm gonna go for a little release. There she goes. Oh, something waking at it. There's something following it. There we go. Frogfish. Beast. All right, folks, it has been a brutal day on the lake. We've caught 5, maybe. How many?
Yeah, I'd say 5.
I think we've caught around 5 fish. Just missed like a 5 pounder. GoPro's dead. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna fish these 2 docks right behind me, and then we're gonna skirt on out of here. So if I catch a fish or if he catches one, I'll pull out the camera and show you guys. But it's been fun, it's been cold, it's been wet. It started pouring on us out of nowhere. So, all right, so we're gonna fish these docks and then we're gonna head back.
Oh, there's one.
Shut up. All right, folks, so we're wrapping up our day here on the lake. We caught a few fish today, pretty good ones. We caught pretty much like 1 good one. It was like 2.5 maybe. Missed like a 5 pounder, but we're just trolling back to the house. We're at my friend Grady's grandparents' house. And we're chilling, boys. We're going back with the Evinrude trolling motor. Dude, you don't have one, bro. We're trolling in the middle of the lake. Look at the line. You don't have a fish. You don't have fish, bro. It's that simple. You don't have a fish, you idiot.
Oh, he's making a run.
Making a run. Oh, no way, he's got it. What? We were trolling in the middle of the lake.
I told you. You didn't believe me.
What the heck, dude?
You didn't believe me.
Trolling out in the middle of the lake with a speed worm just to test out my casting distance with the Corrado.
Oh my.
That's called an offshore bite, folks.
Big un.
Hammer. Oh gosh, we're doing the 360 here.
Here you go. You can have your rod back. I liked the casting distance.
Shut up. Right, good day today, folks. Where's that 5 pounder that was here? There's no more 5-pounder. There's a beast under this dock. She gone. We gotta think of something to do now. We gotta assess the situation because right now we're just chilling at his grandparents' house doing nothing. So we gotta think of something to do. We might go fishing some more, might not. Go get a milkshake, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We're gonna play it by ear. All right, guys. So we are on our way home. Grady, so kind to take me home. We are on our way to Chick-fil-A right now. We're gonna go pick up some milkshakes first before we get home. Forgot my money, so I'll pay him when we get home. That's about it, bro. I don't know what else I'm gonna do today, but I know tomorrow I'm gonna be filming again too, because I might be doing some pond hopping with one of my other friends, which was in my Santa bass video, Nikki. He's gonna take me pond hopping, and we're gonna fool around for a little bit tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. That should be up soon as well. But without further ado, folks, we are going to God's Kitchen. Chick-fil-A, folks. We are on our way to God's Chicken. We're going to God's Kitchen right now. We're going to go to Chick-fil-A and get some God ice cream. So we will see you guys at Chick-fil-A. Okay, folks, here's the deal. We went to Chick-fil-A. Grady bought me, what'd you buy me? A spicy deluxe with pepper jack cheese. That's what he got me. And I told him, because I owe him 10 bucks, I said I will only give him 10 bucks if he eats one of these. So he's got to eat one of these. He doesn't know what these are. I do. So, Grady, come eat one of these, bro, or you're not getting your 10 bucks.
No, I'm not eating one of those.
Dude, they're...
Alright, now that you're able, I'll eat one. Never mind, I'm not eating
You eat one, bro?
No.
I'm kidding. I didn't have to scare you, bro. They're really good.
Alright, then you get another one.
They're grapes. They're called moonshine grapes.
Eat another one. Swallow it. Yeah.
They're so bad, dude. They're so bad.
Yeah, now hurry up.
Folks, this is, I think, the second time I've done this. Maybe third. I forgot to film my outro for this video. I had a fun time with Grady today, just fooling around Jon Boat Bassin. It was a great time, and I'd never fished that lake before, but he says it's really, really good when it's hot out, and it was kind of cold yesterday, so it wasn't really the best time to fish it. Some fish we caught yesterday were not on camera. My GoPro did end up dying, but we still had a great time. More videos in the future. Tomorrow morning, I plan on waking up early. I'm gonna go pond hop with one of my good friends, Nikki Azara. He was in my Santa video on last Christmas, so you guys know Nikki. Don't know what ponds we're going to. We'll see. We're just gonna fool around. Have a great time. It's supposed to be really nice tomorrow, around 60 degrees, so the bass should be biting. So last thing, it has been a while since I have filmed a video. I do realize that it's been a long time, actually. I've been really busy with school lately, and I think the last video I filmed was in the summer. I was just fooling around. Me and my dad tried to do some dragonfly lure challenge, which was just, it was the worst challenge I think we've ever done. But I am gonna try and start making videos a lot more often. So Grady is my partner. We are in the Florida High School Bass Nation, and December 1st is the Bobby Lane Cup. I'm gonna bring you guys with me on that tournament day. We're gonna see what can happen. It's on Lake Kissimmee. We're gonna be launching out of Camp Mac. That should be a really fun time, and I'm really excited to bring you guys with me. You guys can see what it's like to be in the Florida High School Tournament Series. If you guys aren't already, go ahead and follow my Instagram. I will leave that linked in the description below. I usually keep you guys updated with everything that goes on my Instagram page. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate everybody's support lately. I'm gonna be trying to make a lot more videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.